New Hampshire's Dartmouth-Lake Sunapee Region has a lot to offer. It's more than colorful leaves and more than a gently flowing stream. It's life-changing educational opportunities. It's industry-leading manufacturing and innovation. It's arts and it's culture. It's history and it's the future. New Hampshire's Dartmouth-Lake Sunapee Region is a great place to visit, a great place to grow your business, and a great place to live your life the way you want. So come walk with us. Come work with us. Come play with us. Come stay with us. The Dartmouth-Lake Sunapee Region. There's more. You'll see. Visit dartmouth-lake-sunapeeregion.org to find out more.